I mean, look, we know you as a customer, when you come by, you're gonna do what he's doing. You're gonna be looking at it, checking it out. What in the, he's kicking the tires. Got those big 22s on there. This is absolute beautiful. Oh man, look at that. Retractable running boards. The horn even beeps at you. I mean, it's such a neat vehicle. What else are you seeing? It's been a little while, everybody, since Chris has popped in on a video. He's been so busy out here getting these great cars for us. Oh, the suede. The TVs. Oh yeah, this is it right here, folks. What's up, everybody? So I'm getting ready to take you on a tour and a test drive of a 2015 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum package, fully loaded out. It's absolutely gorgeous. So just stay with me. We're gonna walk around it, check it out. This is basically a 15 model with around 98,000 miles that's gonna be sold for just around $40,000 right now in July of 2021. So stay with me. If you're in the market for an Escalade, this might be a great video to watch if you're looking for one that's pre-owned with just around 100,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So there it is, right? What an absolutely flagship, you know? That's what I think. When I think of a American luxury SUV, that's kind of what I think about. Years ago, I used to think about the Lincoln Navigators, but truly the Escalade is like bada bing, bada boom, right? The creme de la creme, the cream of the crop, the holy macaronis of luxury SUVs. I mean, this thing is a land yacht, as I usually would say. So anyways, everything's big on it, right? That's what it's all about. Yeah. Now you can go online and watch tons of videos of Escalades just like this. A lot of times you'll be watching a video though of a new one, you know, probably back when it was new in 2015. But what I do is I'm trying to show you how this car has held up over the past few years now that it has basically 100,000 miles on it. After someone's used it, driven it, and really, you know, had a good time with it, right? That's what it's all about. Because new, believe it or not, this car probably was well over 70, 80,000, probably even close to 100 grand new. And a lot of people, and I mean a lot of folks, don't always have the $80,000 to $100,000 to go out and just buy a brand new car like this. So you might be somebody out there wanting something like this because it still looks like a $100,000 car going down the road, but you may want to find one with 100,000 miles on it so you can kind of get one at an affordable price for around $40,000, right? So anyways, let's take a look at one. Front end looks pretty good, right? Grill looks great. One thing I always pay attention to is sometimes on the Cadillac grills, you'll get some discoloration and things. That didn't seem to happen on this one. Everything looks really nice and clean up front. You got all LED headlights. Probably one of the most impressive things about this vehicle at nighttime is the lights on it, right? The whole front, I mean, it just, you know it's a Cadillac coming down the road. Let's go wide angle real quick with our new iPhone here. Then impressive during the daytime is these 22-inch wheels. They're not all chrome, right? I think Cadillac did a nice job. They put the chrome in these, and like those inserts there, and then silver everywhere else. So kind of a nice setup on your wheel. It does have the retractable running boards at the bottom, so when you open up the doors, they just pop out. You can also cut that off if you didn't want it to do that every time, right? You could just leave them out or leave them in, I'm assuming. Also has the 360 view camera view on it, right? So if you're backing up, trying to get in that parking spot, look at that little kitten over there. It's so cute, that little black kitty. He's like, oh, I want an Escalade. Anyways, the camera view is pretty cool. A lot of cars come with lots of cameras nowadays, but still, in a car this size, it's nice to have those camera views. So when you're parking it, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to stress about bumping into anything. The taillights are also impressive because they go from the top all the way down to the bottom of the bumper here, right? So you can't, if this thing was cruising down the interstate at night and you were behind it, you know it's an Escalade. Look at all those cats. I mean, they are just adorable. Hello, kitties. Look at them. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Anyways, you just want to run over there and grab one. But let's get back to the video, right? This one's a platinum package. So it's loaded to the gills, right? It's got the 4-wheel drive. It tows 8,000 pounds. It's got a 6.2 V8 under the hood, pushing 420 horsepower. Now, the 4-wheel drive version gets around 20 on the highway and 16 in the city. If you get the one without 4-wheel drive, but you can't get it in a platinum package, you're getting around 22 and 18 on your fuel economy. So the other thing that's so sweet about this vehicle is it has suede just about everywhere that normally would be plastic. So if you get the regular Escalade that's not the platinum, it probably just like a hard plastic or some type of leather wrapped onto it. This thing's got suede all over the place. And it's got TVs galore, okay? First off, you got suede here, leather up here, wood trim here, tons of cubby hole spots and cup holders. You got TVs and the headrests. Then you got them one here and one there. Captain row seats, which is nice. Interior on this car is actually in really nice condition. I mean, it is a 100,000 mile Escalade. It's got a few little things here or there, but realistically, I've seen vehicles that have been literally trashed. When this came in, it was already really clean, and you can tell whoever owned it previously well took care of it, right? So that's nice. All right, let's go ahead and hop in. Look like we got a rain cloud coming over us. Other things, it's got blind spot monitoring system, Bose stereo, power everything from the doors, the windows, the mirrors, power seats, lumbar supports, heated and cooled seats in the front, heated in the rear. Let's go ahead and hop in. It is definitely comfortable. This whole screen here is all LCD, as it should be, right, on a car like this. Then you got this beautiful, bright, vivid blue and a nice touchscreen display there with navigation, weather, video, audio, OnStar, all that stuff, right? Sirius XM radio. This is just a really nice vehicle. Does it have the hiding spot in it like a Tahoe or Suburban has right here? Don't know. Glove box, hit the button, drops it down, right? But I don't see the little button to actually open this section up. Because if you see, you got a little bit of a hood here, an awning. So I don't think that opens up where you can throw a 9mm or some type of wallet or whatever in there. You do have a cooled button here to cool the cup holders to keep your drink nice and cool, which is kind of neat. I don't know if it heats up or not, but it probably doesn't. 12 volt, 2 USBs. You got your wireless charging set up here. Open her up. Holy macaronis, check this out. You got a cooler in there. That is awesome. That I'm taking a picture of here shortly. That's neat. 2 more USBs, a 12 volt and auxiliary, and an SD card slot. But I really think that is awesome to have a little cooler in there for your bottled water, whatever it may be. Up top, you got LED lighting, controls for the, for the sunroof. You can control the rear tailgate, how high it goes and all that. Usually that button is somewhere else in the car, like over here somewhere. And so yeah, a lot of cool stuff. You got, crap handles above every windowsill, even on the back windows. And then your vanities, pretty simple, but there you go. There's your vanity and all that. All right, let me strap in and let's get our seatbelt on. How's headroom? Headroom's fine. I mean, this is a big vehicle. Shaquille O'Neal, the Shackster, man, he can get in here and cruise down the road. I'm sure he already owns one of these, right, in his fleet of cars. But yeah, the Escalade is definitely gonna provide all the room and space that you need in your full-size SUV. In the front, the back, the side to sides, and all. So anyways, what's cool is we got one for sale. We don't really come across too many Escalades at our store, but the boss man has really been diving deep lately, and he's been buying some really interesting things. Like this, we just bought a GTR. We got some really cool stuff. All right, moving right along, right? Because I'm just all in it right now. Let's film this bad boy. Let's say bye to little kittens. Oh, there they are. Look at the little kitties. Hello, little black kitties. That's kind of like a calico. Calicos are usually, that one's kind of a little black and brown. I don't know. Anyways, Some people are superstitious and they say, oh man, don't let a black cat cross your path, right? So anyways, we'll drive it real quickly here, real briefly, just down the road. I mean, it's not difficult to drive. If you're wondering, you're saying to yourself, you know, I'm only concerned about buying one because I've never owned or driven such a large vehicle. Don't stress it so much, okay? Once you get in this bad boy or bad girl and drive it for the first time, you're gonna love it. I mean, especially if you need the space. But it's not that hard to drive. And just when you're parking, just pull in and park, okay? You don't have to park up front next to everybody or in a tight spot. Just find your own big spot out there and do it. Ooh, that 420, it's there if you need it. I didn't really mash it down that hard. But yeah, the horsepower's there if you need it. And I like that it tows 8,000 pounds. You can pull a camper, a big boat, whatever you may need to do. I mean, this thing's ready to launch you and your family across country if may be. Need to do that, okay? All right. Here in the Carolinas, most people, as you can see over there, drive trucks and Jeep Wranglers, right? That's the big thing here in the Carolinas. Or Tahoes and Suburbans. But every once in a while, you'll get somebody rolling up in an Escalade. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope this video was somewhat informative to you. As you can see, a 100,000 mile Escalade, looking good at 40 grand. It's got 98,000. I say 100, we're rounding up, but we got one here at Southern Motor Company. Like, comment, subscribe on the YouTube channel. Been here since 2011. The store's been here since 2010. But if you're looking for a place that's got some really cool stuff, you need to come see us. I mean, just look out in front of the window there. I mean, there's a Dodge Viper, a GTR, Honda Accords, 740 BMWs, all kinds of interesting things. Give them a call at 277-2983. If I'm not here that day, just ask for Randy. But I'm telling you, your boy Chad, I'm here about 6 days a week, bell to bell. I'm here to help you. Thanks again, everybody. Let me know, what's your thoughts? Have you owned one of these before? Would you still go out and buy you a Suburban before buying an Escalade? Or has this right here went ahead and told you, I'm done with the Suburban, I'm going to get me an Escalade? Let me know. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video today at Southern Motor Company of the 2015 Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, it's gorgeous. I know you're interested in it. This guy right here, he's definitely interested in it as well. I mean, look. We know you as a customer, when you come by, you're gonna do what he's doing. You're gonna be looking at it, checking it out. What in the, he's kicking the tires. Got those big 22s on there. This is absolute beautiful. Oh man, look at that. Retractable running boards. The horn even beeps at you. I mean, it's such a neat vehicle. What else are you seeing? It's been a little while, everybody, since Chris has popped in on a video. He's been so busy out here getting these great cars for us. Oh, the suede. The TVs. Oh yeah, this is it right here, folks. Oh yeah, Blu-ray. Okay, this isn't just DVD, folks, it's Blu-ray. He's speechless. I'm doing the talking for him. He's a mutant today. Uh-oh. He loves sleeping in vehicles. You can catch him every once in a while, just kind of going to sleep. All right, well, we're going to let Chris sleep a little bit. If you're ready to do some business with us, come on by and see us. 277-2983. We're here to help you. We got a great amount of inventory right now. We got some absolute gorgeous pieces of inventory for you to come see. Stop by the store, visit us online at smccharleston.com. We will see all of you real soon. And again, have a great day. We're right here in North Charleston, in the heart of North Charleston on Rivers Avenue. See you later, Chris. Bye, everybody.